Let's explore basic algebraic combinatorics. This is counting with algebra. We will explore the elegant intersection of symmetric functions, Young tableaus, and other combinatorial structures. Let's define symmetric functions. A function f of x1, x2, up to xn is symmetric if it remains unchanged under any permutation of its variables. That is, f of x1, x2 up to xn equals f of x sub s of 1, x sub s of 2, up to x sub s of n. A basic example is the elementary symmetric polynomial in two variables. F of x, y equals x squared plus y squared. Since f of x, y equals f of y, x, this function is symmetric. A Young tableau is obtained by filling boxes of a Young diagram with positive integers. A tableau is standard if entries increase along each row and down each column. An example standard tableau is the shape 3, 2, 1 with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first row contains 1, 2, 4. The second row contains 3, 5. The third row contains 6. A semi-standard tableau allows repeated entries with the following conditions. Rows are weakly increasing and columns are strictly increasing. Consider an example with the shape 4, 2 where the first row has 1, 1, 2, 4, and the second row has 2, 3. This has a weight of 2, 2, 1, 1. The hook length formula gives the number of standard tableaus of shape lambda. F super lambda equals n factorial divided by the product of h of ij, where h of I, j is the hook length. For example, consider the shape 3, 2. We can count the hook lengths in each box. Then f super 3, 2 equals 5 factorial divided by the product of 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, which equals 8. Schur functions are symmetric functions indexed by partitions lambda. S sub lambda of x1, x2 and so on equals the sum over all t of x raised to the power t. This is the sum over all semi-standard tableaus t of shape lambda. Young tableaus provide combinatorial interpretations for Schur functions. The coefficients count tableaus. Multiplication of Schur functions follows this rule. S sub lambda times S sub mu equals the sum over nu of c raised to the power nu sub lambda mu times S sub nu, where c raised to the power nu sub lambda mu are the Littlewood-Richardson coefficients. Combinatorially, the coefficient c raised to the power nu sub lambda mu count special tableaus configurations. These are skew tableaus of shape nu over lambda with content mu. The Schensted Correspondence establishes a bijection between permutations and pairs of standard tableaus. Both tableaus have the same shape. For example, consider the permutation pi equals 3, 1, 4, 2. This maps to tableau pairs of shape 2, 2. Some key applications include representation theory, such as character formulas for symmetric groups, probability theory, such as random permutations and longest increasing subsequences, and algebraic geometry, such as Schubert varieties and intersection theory. Deep connections include Knuth relations, such as word equivalences via tableau insertion, crystal bases, such as combinatorial structure and representation theory, and integrable systems, such as mathematical physics connections. The key concepts are symmetric functions, which are invariant under variable permutations, Young tableaus, standard and semi-standard fillings, and the hook length formula for counting standard tableaus. The connections are Schur functions which bridge between algebra and combinatorics, the Schensted Correspondence which is a permutation-tableau bijection, and the Littlewood-Richardson Rule which governs product expansions via tableaus. Algebraic combinatorics reveals deep structures through elegant combinatorial interpretations. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.